Hey everybody, welcome back to Thirsty on Thursday. Last week I gave you some misconceptions about cabinets and my opinion on the truths. I hope the video really helped you out with your business and for future sales. Today we're going to go through a few more items to assist you when meeting with your client. So let's go ahead, let's jump into it. Misconception number one, it's better to spend more on appliances and less on cabinets. The truth is you will open and close your cabinetry more than anything else in your house except for maybe the garage or front door. If you want to save on budget, lower your costs on other avenues which do not have as much traffic. Lowering the price or the quality of your cabinetry could be a potential cost downfall. Clients think they should cut their costs on cabinets and use a cheaper line to save money for another use. The fact is, the cheaper priced cabinets will begin to deteriorate sooner, which will cause the client more money to replace later. Misconception number two, refacing your cabinet saves you money compared to replacing them. The truth of this is while there are many great reface companies, it isn't always the lowest cost possibility. To reface, your existing cabinets need to meet some requirements. The cabinet boxes must be in good condition. Also, you have to keep with your current layout and you have to hire the right professional to do a good job. If done correctly by using catalyzer in the paint and complete sanding, refacing could come close to the same price of replacing your cabinets. A bonus with new cabinets is that you can update the layout for the best functionality of your kitchen. Misconception number three, if it looks good, it's good enough to buy. We've all heard that. Truth is that looks are deceiving. Everything looks great when a fresh coat of paint has just been applied. In fact, my favorite finish is a manufacturer factory finish with a 24-step process. They use a catalyzer in the paint for hardening and hand wipe the top coats. For a great finish, you have to have a perfect environment and excellent sanding prep for the paints or stains to be applied. If your cabinets are not done this way, then you might not have the best finish, even if it does look okay. Misconception number four, the product is defective because there are dark stains in my cabinets. Truth is that wood is natural, therefore not every piece will be the same, and not every piece will show finish exactly the same. Some of the so-called defects are actually in the wood. You need to make sure your customer understands the differences in wood and how it shows the finish. Misconception number five, glazing is wrong if it doesn't look uniform. Truth is that a glaze job that is done correctly will be done consistently and consistent, meaning that all the glazing is dark to light to medium, never the same throughout your cabinets. This is because of the hand wiping done after the glaze is applied. Some cabinet companies use a spray pen for a consistent line of glaze. This is considered not a true glaze. One quick tip, the more detail on the door, the more glazing is going to show. So don't pick a slab door for glazing. So in closing, remember, number one, you get what you pay for. Number two, invest in the items that get the most use. And number three, not everything is as great as it looks on the outside. We'll see you next week.